Have I just died and gone to heaven? Today we start with artichokes. Some olive oil, shallots and butter. Some pancetta and the clean chopped artichokes. We'll also make our own pasta, different shapes. From gnocchetti to cavatelli, so delicious. Mozzarella in carrozza, buffalo mozzarella, crispy pancetta, breadcrumbed and deep fried. Served with pesto, fresh tomato and basil. Pork scallopini with prosciutto, sage and provola cheese. It's folded over and sealed into a pocket. It's sautéed in butter, olive oil and sage. Once nicely brown, it's deglazed with a dry white wine and reduced. Served with green peppers. And for dessert, eggs, mascarpone cheese, folded together. Ladyfingers soaked in coffee. Any ideas? Tiramisu. Oh yeah!
We've just arrived in Guancino to see how the prosciutto is made. Wow, what a beautiful place.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Per me.
Let's go downstairs. This is where the drying takes place. Oh my God, entire walls made out of prosciutto and guanciale. Now it's time to eat a farm-style meal cooked by Nonna. We're having pasta rigatoni and matriciana with parmesan. Pork scallopini with carrot, celery and onion. And veal involtino with prosciutto and escamosa cheese filling. And brutti ma buoni, which means ugly but good, a hazelnut macaron.
Good morning.
Cappuccino, please.
Time to taste 100% buffalo mozzarella. The milk is handcrafted raw, eliminating any pasteurization for full buffalo milk flavour.
So this would be the caciocavallo.
You'll find over 500 animals here. These ones are only a few weeks old. Thanks for your delicious milk, ladies. This mummy just gave birth. Fossa Nova Abbey, a monastery about 90-minute drive from Rome. The abbey was built on top of the remains of an old Roman villa around 1135. It retains this spectacular bare architecture made from travertine stone, making it quite unique. We then travelled to the beautiful town of Terracina, a picturesque seaside village on the Tyrrhenian Sea. You can even see the Roman temple of Jupiter perched high on the cliff. There's great shopping and great seafood. I'm here for the seafood. We started with a refreshing prawn salad, followed by a homemade fresh egg pasta with zucchini flowers and shrimp. Look how silky and juicy the pasta is. Now, if you want pizza, they make a great Napolitano-style pizza here.
Margarita with sausage
Oh, yeah.
and mushrooms.
And mushroom. Let's take a sneak into the kitchen.
Surprise. Buonasera.
Wow, big kitchen. This is a yellow tomato puree, some freshly grilled calamari with olive oil, a few green beans, a rustic bread crouton from Puglia with olive oil, and some dabs of lemon butter sauce, and a piece of seaweed. This is a citrus puree, sea bass fish coated in potato with asparagus and garnished with endives. Drizzled with extra virgin olive oil. Today, we're making fresh egg pasta. This will be used for our tortellini. The tortellinis are made using a ricotta, parmesan, herbs and prosciutto filling. Fold them over and twist. This is for the beef involtini with mortadella, carrot, parsley and garlic. You simply fold them over, roll tight and secure them with toothpicks. They are then braised in olive oil with onion, carrot and celery. Deglazed with white wine and tomato puree.
It's like crushed tomatoes, right? Crushed tomatoes?
The eggplants are coated in flour, egg wash and deep fried. They are then coated with tomato puree, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese and a little stuffing. They are rolled and then baked. The cannoli dough is also rolled using a special cylinder mould. They are deep fried and the mould is removed. Ready to fill. And now for our rewards. Eggplant parmesan with some extras, the tortellini with crispy pancetta in vodka sauce, and the beef involtini in tomato. And now the fresh cannoli with vanilla ricotta filling, chocolate chips, chocolate sauce, and icing sugar. After dessert, it's time for the best coffee you can imagine. There's two main types of coffee, Robusta and Arabica. Robusta has more caffeine and therefore a little bit more bitter in taste. The machine roasts at 210 degrees Celsius and it takes 15 minutes per batch. Fabio uses the preferred old-fashioned version of checking the roast with colour and smell rather than the electronic one. I'm sure you're imagining the smell of freshly roasted coffee right now. The beans become larger once roasted. How can you get better than that? And after coffee, it's time for gelato. Oh my goodness!